we're going into second overtime. And so we're going into a second overtime. First overtime ending 116 all.
Punuin mo ang isang...
Herbie Raimundo had a chance to win the game for Pure Foods. Nang pumasok yung kanyang reverse layup. And so we're all together once again here in the second overtime. Para sa Magnolia, nandiyan si Mike Cortez, Danny Siegel, Jamil Watkins, who has 5 fouls, Rondon Ontiveros, and Mark Pingris. Pingris has the ball. Pingris hands it over to Ontiveros for 3. Yes, sir! DM3 for Rondon Ontiveros, and he has 26 big points.
Seemingly in this game, every time Rondon Ontiveros is in and around the basketball, good things have happened. Defensively, he had 2 good stops. At yun, nakita natin yung 3 points niya. Pero sagot ka, lahat mula kay James Yap.
DM3 for James Yap. Palitan ng mga TM triples to start things off in the second overtime period.
You know, one thing we should look out for is how much legs some of these guys have. Darius Miles already playing 50 and then Rondon Ontiveros. Still a lot of legs in this guy, Nico.
29 points for Rondon, hitting a TM3 with 4 minutes remaining in the second overtime. 3-point lead para sa Magnolia. Will James Yap answer back, hounded by Pingris. James Yap will sprint. James Yap will miss. And the ball ends up with Ontiveros. And here's Cortez on the move. Cortez will step on the break here. Over to Danny Siegel and out of Pingris. Pingris on the move. Pingris will score! Back-to-back baskets by the Beverage Masters. 5 unanswered points will open up a 5-point lead in overtime. And the man of the moment is Rondon Ontiveros with 29 points in the game. Magnolia lamang ng 5 for the second overtime period. Ayan naman, sulit na sulit ang mga ticket na binayaran itong ating mga kaibigan sa loob ng Big Dome. Now this is a crucial juncture para sa Pure Foods. This could very well spell the difference between victory and defeat. They wish to get back in this ballgame with 3.5 remaining in the second overtime period. Here's Darius Rice with 49 points tonight. Right now with 51 points.
The guys played about 52 minutes in this game. Pero may konting bilis pa rin natitira. Ito si Darius Rice. Now he's attacking the basket. 51 points para kay Darius. Looking for his 52nd miracle. That's 52 points. 52 points is actually the amount of points he scored in the NBDL championship game where he was named the MVP, where he shot 11 out of 19 from 3-point range. This guy scoring everywhere. This guy Ontiveros, Pingris with a rebound, and a big tap mula kay Jamil Watkins to get another possession for his team. 3 minutes to go. Magnolia up by 2. Precarious points. 124-122 is Watkins. Watkins double feed. Watkins has to give up the basketball. Here's Cortez. Over to Ontiveros. Inside to Watkins. Pasa na tapik ni Enrico Villanueva. And now Pure Foods with a chance to tie the ball game. Again, looking for the 14th deadlock, 11th deadlock. Here's Steele, here's Roger Yap. Darius Rice for 3. That could have given Pure Foods the lead. Rebound para kay Watkins. Approaching third of this game. You know, going back to the regulation play, you know, we all thought that Pure Foods was on their way to winning a come-from-behind victory. But Magnolia somehow got back in the game and forced the game into overtime. And then in the first overtime, Herbie Raimundo had a chance to win the game for Pure Foods. Missed the reverse layup. Mike Cortez had a chance to win the game for Magnolia, lost the ball. And that's why we're here, still together, after 5 hours. And ito, 2 points na lamang ng Magnolia. Bola ng Magnolia, with 2:12 remaining in the second overtime period. Here's Cortez.
8 to shoot for Magnolia. Cortez still has the ball. Cortez for a runner. And it's last touch on Kirby Raimundo.
Two miscues, big miscues para kay Kirby Raimundo. Kanina, nabanggit mo nga, the end of regulation of the first overtime had a layup. That time around, rebound going off his foot.
Well, not last 4 minutes, it's tayo na outlast. Maintenance-free batteries, walang dagdag bawas sa tubig. 15 to shoot para sa Magnolia, up by 2. Watkins has the ball. Watkins gives it up. Arteveros. Oh, Pingles wasn't looking because Pingles was getting ready to grab that rebound because Arteveros had a wide open look.
And you know how hot Don has been in this game. You would expect him to take that shot. Pero libre rin si Mark Pingles. Miscommunication, remember? Bagong teammates pa lang yung dalawa na yan.
That could have been a knockout blow. So this will give Pure Foods a valuable opening. Darius Rice with 52 points tonight. Rice on the move all the way. Rice will get the rebound and he will take 2.
A big foul. Manggagaling at mula kay Jamir Watkins.
Daniel DeFonso will take the place of Jamil Watkins at the center spot. 2 crucial free throws for Darius Rice. points. And we're tied at 124 with a minute and 19 to go in the second overtime period. So wala na pong import ang Magnolia rito. Here's Cortez. Cortez thought about it, goes inside with a runner. He looks very comfortable in this Magnolia offense, don't you think?
Yeah, like I said, the pace really suits Mike Cortez of this offense. And nakikita natin siya, you know, he has free reign to create. And he has created a lot of situations, not only for his teammates, and obviously right there for himself.
Good. And Magnolia now with a 2-point lead with under a minute to go. Here's Daniel DeFonso. Orteveros actually was wide open. Oh, a steal! There's a steal! There's the left on the move. And he is fouled.
What a big miscue on the part of Magnolia.
2 free throws. Rajaria. Second free throw for Rajaria. 1-point ball game here in the second overtime. 33 seconds remaining. Here's Pingles. The Clippers doesn't need to foul. They're down by just 1.
That's right. All they need is one big stop.
And even if Magnolia scores, provided it's not a 3-pointer, they're still in the game. 4 to shoot para sa Magnolia. Cortez is double team. And there's a steal. There's a steal. Darius Rice on the move. All the way. With 6 seconds to go. And Pure Foods is on top by 1. 127, 126. 56 points for Darius Rice.
Right here, you can mention Magnolia took so much time to develop. In the end, they were being rushed. And this guy has scored from tip-off all the way out here to the second conference. At yan yung umorder ng extra right.
6 seconds to go.
And a lot of options para dito kay Coach Sean Tankinson. A lot of those guys out there on the point para sa Magnolia can create. Well, you have to look out for Mark Pingles. Mark Pingles out of a miss. If Magnolia should miss, is the biggest threat out there.
Here's Danny I. Babalik kay Mike. Mike Cortez on the move. Mike Cortez with 3 seconds to go. Danny the first shot. They win. After 2 overtime periods, 127-126. And this was absolutely a hard-earned win for Pure Foods. Darius Rice